You guys are probably going to hear my landlady and her family and the dog barking in the background of this video. Pay no mind. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and I could not let the month of December pass without doing some sort of giveaway to say thank you here on my YouTube channel. If you saw last week's video, or even if you didn't, I also have a giveaway currently going on Instagram. The link is going to be in the description box for that. So if you haven't entered that giveaway, which ends in about a week, you still have time to enter it as well. So my YouTube giveaway for the month of December is sponsored by Valrosa Limited. Valrosa Limited is what I call a boutique natural hair store, and they carry products just for natural hair as well as accessories for natural hair. And what I really like about their store is the fact that the owner Lisa is awesome, but also the fact that they carry a bunch of products that you're probably not going to see anywhere else in Trinidad. Like quite a few of the brands I'm yet to see in any other either boutique store or in any other Pennywise, Starlight, Super Farm situation.
So I just ran away from work and I am here at Valrosa. For those of you who don't know where Valrosa Limited is, they are Upper Abercrombie Street, right after, is it New or after? Right after New Street on Abercrombie. So why am I here? I mean, you're pretty much seeing why I'm here, but here there's something real special. So stay tuned for that.
So Valrosa Limited and I are collaborating, and I got to pick a few of their products to create a wonderful, at least I think wonderful package to give away today. And before we talk about how you can enter, let me show you guys what you can get. So the first product in the giveaway is the Eden Body Works Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser. You also have the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. You're gonna get the Inasi Naturals Island Breeze Hair and Body Whipped Butter. So this one you can use in your hair and on your skin. You're also going to get the Hair Vida Green Tea Jardin Silken and Soften Conditioning Smoothie. And then last but most certainly not least, you're getting a puff cuff. So one lucky person is gonna win all of those products. It's valued at over $600 TT in products for your hair, and in one case you can use one of the products on your skin. So the part that everyone is anxious for, how do you enter? You have to 1, be a subscriber of mine, 2, follow Valrosa on Instagram, and then 3, leave your Instagram handle in the comments. If you are up for a bonus entry, you can go to my previous video and answer the question in the comment section, what do you have on your natural hair wish list for Christmas? This giveaway is open to persons living in Trinidad and Tobago. I'm sorry to my international and Caribbean peeps. I do promise in the new year I'm going to try and have more giveaways that are catered to or friendly to in terms of shipping for international and persons living in the Caribbean, but for now I have to keep it local. It's going to finish on December 14th at 11:59 p.m. and I will announce the winner on the 15th here in my YouTube video. So just to reiterate the rules, 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. 2, you have to follow Valrosa on Instagram. 3, leave your Instagram name in the comments under this video. And if you want a bonus entry, go to my previous video and answer the question, what is on your natural hair wish list for Christmas? I'm looking forward to seeing all of the participants. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I could keep those products for myself, but I can't, so I'm giving them away. And that is it for today's video. I just want to say, like I always say, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for everything. You are awesome and I appreciate you all so much. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. Bye.